In the previous session, we completed the second period where we delivered to the students the skills of using graphs to list out data. We used a certain innovative idea to approach the process of learning, and we will use the same zero investment innovative idea, which is concept explanation. This is a new age teaching technique and helps to deliver concepts by actively involving students in the process, thus also facilitating their personality development. Now, in this session, we will be facilitating students' revisions of the concepts of collecting data and representing it in the form of graphs. We will also guide them through the process of drawing inferences. To begin with the period, we will introduce the students to a homework activity aimed at helping them in collecting and presenting data through the following instructions. In the next week, you all must perform 4 related tasks. Observe how many hours your father spends each day reading the newspaper and watching the television. Note those observations down in the book. At the end of the week, make a graph which has tabulated this data. Now comes the second task. On each day, find out at least 5 headlines from the front page of the newspaper and the names of shows watched on the television. Once you have noted this data, make a list of the words which get repeated in each of the cases and then make a graph of the repeating words. That leads us to the end of this period. Now, if we look at the chapter as a whole, through the implementation of this innovative idea, we can achieve the delivery of following outcomes. Ability to multiply numbers in daily life. Ability to identify and work with fractions. Ability to collect and represent data related to daily life situations. Ability to interact with various forms of media in the English language. Best wishes to all the educators going ahead with their classes or other future endeavors.